Good afternoon everyone. Ngayon nga pala guys is magluluto kami ng pinikpik. Kasama ko si ate guys yan. Nagsimula na siya magbalat. Kamuting kahoy pala yan siya. Yung yan pala guys, galing lang yan sa bayan. Binili lang ni mama kahapon. Dala niya kagabi. Yan. Anong ilalagay natin dyan?
Coconut sugar.
Tapos, coconut. Tapos sugar.
Yes.
Yan yun na nga guys. Magsisimula na kami magbalat. Ganyan na pala guys. Before nating nabalatan, ano naman natin naugasan. May patatapos yan? Hindi nyo na nga guys, tapos natin magasan. Ngayon naman is i-dere na natin. Then ito lang pala guys yung ano nila gamit nila natin na pang dito.
Why are you filming Tombo?
He said, I do filming because he trying hard to do that.
It looks like cheese actually, Tomak was saying, and that's true. Genuinely does look like cheese.
You put your spaghetti. Don't
See?
eat that, it's bitter.
Yeah, it's like cheese. Do you have a cloth to strain it? How are you doing that then?
I don't know if I was doing that.
You don't know?
Maybe hand.
Squeeze it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because nothing is broken before I use.
Yeah. Hindi yan pala guys, ito na lang, last one na lang tong natin ini-id-id. Tawag sa amin dito ini-id-id. Ganyan na nga guys, after ilang minutes natin ano, gidin ito na. Yan lang pala lahat guys. Then ngayon guys is pipigaan na naman natin yan. Then ito na din pala guys yung nyug na kinuha ni ate sa bahay guys yan. Then yan yung kudkudan, naradala niya din.
Burns fish.
Magungas muna pala tayo guys ng ating kamay bago natin yan pigaan. Yan, sisimulan natin ngayon guys na pigaan ito. Wala pala tayong tila guys, balik kamayin na lang natin to. Kailangan pala na dito guys ng matinding pigaan taga to guys. Dahil papalabasin taga to natin yung katas nito para matatanggal yung pait niya guys. Mas maganda sana to guys kung tela yung gamit natin para matanggal talaga yung katas na ano. Bali gagawin lang natin to siyang magiging dry. Ganyan, ito na pala guys. Ito inabutan din natin ng pangpiga na tayo guys. Tela. Yan, para mas madali mapiga natin ng maganda. Tanggal talaga yung katas guys.
What? Where are you going to throw it? Smells like it. You know, it smells like a little bit sweet. Another shoe pal. We're starting a shoe pal business. Ew, 2 shoe pal already. What are you doing now? Farting on me?
I'm not farting on you. Here goes.
Alright, well, I can finish this video after we make the cassava and then start a new video of the market done. Finish my
Ganyan na pala guys yan. Tatlong bilog-bilog ang nagawa natin guys. Yan lang pala lahat yung nagawa natin. Then ngayon is kailangan natin siyang ganyan-ganyan guys. Oh. Himay-himayin ba? Yan oh. Dapat walang buo-buo guys. Para paglagay natin mamaya ng coconut tapos sugar is kapitan siya ng maganda guys. Yan oh, yung mga ganyang mga buo-buo guys. Dapat natin siyang himay niya ganyan.
Stop doing that. Stop poking my bum.
Para mas maganda yung lasa niya guys.
Fat knife.
Ganyan pala guys si Brother Delo na lang kudkod ng nyog. Yan.
In the back.
There?
Backside of the knife.
There,
Yes.
in this part of the coconut.
No, in the center.
In there.
Yeah, but be careful.
I'm only joking. But I don't know.
Look like scary man. Be careful. John Mark na lang do that. Scared. Scared.
Can I not just do it holding it like that?
No, no. You're scary. Scary you cut the coconut like
Coconut
that.
boobs.
Hindi niyan pala guys si brother na lang yung mga kagudang nyug tayo ay. Pagpatuloy lang natin to yung paghihimay-himay nito guys. Ito.
Very watery coconut.
Kaya guys, nakatikim na ba kayo nito guys? Ganito lang yung pagluto namin dito sa probinsya guys. Sarapin muna para natin si Brother Dylan guys, nagkakudkud.
You can see me okay, like. Is it good light there?
Hawakan mo daw yung ano.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, not much. Just trying to do a reel here, like. Turning coconut into gata. Have I started? Not.
Hmm.
Alright, so turning this into this gata over here by literally scraping it. Have a wee look at the scrape on. You see the scrape here, like up here?
Wow, siopaw. Din yan guys, may napasyal sa atin dito mga bi. Bigyan natin ng kaunti nito. Yan. Yan guys, okay na kain nila. Kasi nga kamuting kaw yan. Yan, hindi pa rin tayo tapos yan guys. Then yan na pala guys, yan. Ito. Kung tapos na nating himayin. Then yan, ito na rin yung gata guys. Si ate na yung nag-asikaso niyan. Then yan, nakapapoy na din siya. Then ako ngayon is magkakuha muna ako ng daw ng saging guys. Doon. Yan. Si ate na pala yung maghalo niyan guys yan. Yan yung sugar. Tapos yan yung coconut milk.
Aray po.
Ito na pala guys. Ngayon naman is i-may-may natin siya guys. I mean yung Ayan guys, oh. Yan. Hindi natin nilinisan guys kasi ang malinis naman, oh.
Ingat mo na yan siguro.
Ha?
Yung ano.
Init mo na pala ni ate guys sa kawali. Then tayo is ilagyan na natin yung coconut milk. Kaya na lang pala yung maglalagay guys dito.
Ito hindi pa na ano. Salain.
Ah. Tala ko na salaan. Ito lang pala yung ginawa niyang salaan guys, oh, ay ginamit. Meron silang salaan. Then ngayon is maglalagay na tayo ng sugar. Tapos mikos-mikos lang yan natin guys. Yan na guys, oh. Yeah. Then maya pagtapos natin guys, mag-asalang na tayo yan. Ganyan pala guys, mag-umpisa natin magluto. Ito, dalawang patong na daon ilalagay natin guys. Yan. Lagay lang tayo niyan, tapos ito lagay na tayo ng ating kasaba. Dapat guys hindi siya ganong makapal guys para mabilis siya maluto. Depende pala sa inyo guys kapag nagluto kayo nito guys kung gaano kalaki or basta depende sa inyo kung gaano kalaki guys. Then dapat kapag nagluluto kayo nito guys is dapat samahin ng apoy lang guys para hindi siya masunog guys. Okay na yan, tapos lagyan natin sa ibabaw nito guys. Then ito. Yan. Then yan pala guys yan. Pabaliktad din na natin siya. Oh. Din yan pala guys, isang salangan na lang yan. Malaki yan mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
So we need to flip this one.
No, it's that.
Bakla.
Hindi pa yun babalik na rin, tinignan ko lang.
Ha?
Hindi pa.
Oh, not yet.
It's not yet ready. Oh, right, okay. We were about to show, but I thought, so no, we're gonna eat some. He says, yeah, keep it running while he's eating it then.
Sige.
Why not? Let's see John Mark what his verdict is of it.
Isa lang. Yung malaki na ngayon, paano?
Let's see.
The banana cake. I know.
It's a banana or cassava cake.
Kasaba cake.
Yeah. Like with coconut.
sa banana, pancake ka
This has
sa
got banana in it as well.
You
But you can try it. Maybe give it to these guys. We'll have the next one then.
first.
You try.
That's alright. No, it's okay. I'll wait till the next one. It's fine.
Sige.
You
I want to see what everyone else thinks of it. See what they think of your cooking.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
You sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
Positive?
Yeah. But yours, you like more sugar.
I mean, yeah, I'd have chocolate sauce over that maybe as well
Sige.
if I had it. But yeah, that would suit a lot of things. I think even honey, anything like that.
Meron ka na bang? Meron siya wala.
Wala.
It almost tastes a bit like honey anyway. Must be refined sugar.
Mm-hmm.
It's yummy.
Because camera exposed storage yun.
Yeah. What do you think of that then?
Yan na guys, nabaliktad natin.
Hindi eh.
And we'll get till it's done.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Hindi niya na pala guys yan.
Yummy.
Come on, man.
Over there.
Yes. Wait, kuya.
Sarap guys. And then yun na nga guys, pagtapos pala natin luto and magkain niya na guys. Nagsalang pala ako ng sinaing dito kila ate. Then guys, hanggang dito lang muna pala yung video natin guys. Salamat palagi sa inyong suporta at sa basta't maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Then shout out pala kay Clary M na solid followers natin and supporters po natin. Thank you so much po. Then maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa dahil madami kayo guys. Yun lang. God bless you all.